Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I guess all of you can see the screen. All of you can see me, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. There are still many students who haven't joined yet, so we will just start, right? Okay. So I guess all of you understood how to use basic, right? Basics of money control, right? Yes or no? Okay. So money control is just the app, right, guys? Please upload here. Okay. Right? Okay. Upload here. Okay, so that everyone can see, right? So I will just pick few stocks. Okay, I will just pick few stocks and we will discuss. Enough, right? Few common stocks which is in most of the portfolio.
Sir,
Okay.
where should we upload?
Upload here, right? On the forum, na, go to website. Okay, go to website. If you go to website, right, you can see forum over here. Okay, when you click on more, na, right, you will see forum. Okay, see, right? Forum. You have to wait for some time, right? Okay, so if you click on forum, you will get this portfolio creation. Okay, right? Just upload it over there. Okay, now before starting the class, right, we will be continuing with technical analysis. Now, my first question would be that when we talk about yes, Ragini, you can do it, right? Everyone can just do now. Okay, no issues. Okay, you can upload. Okay, you can upload up the class also, right? And please make notes now. Now you have to make notes. Right?
Sir, what are the conditions?
Conditions, it's written over here, no, right? If you see the page, conditions are already written over here. Everyone should follow this condition. Okay. And guys, please don't change your portfolio for now. Okay, right? Okay. So
I was not able to change the by date, sir.
okay,
Yeah,
right?
sir,
So,
I have by date 27.
okay, fine, no issues, right? So I can say that when we talk about the stocks, right? When you bought this portfolio, this is the first portfolio that you made, right? And we will be keeping it for 1 month. Now, we bought these stocks without any analysis. Yes or no? We just bought it, Anna, right? We just
Sir,
bought it,
we did some analysis.
right? No, like we did not do the analysis by the way, right? We just see the stocks of Nifty 50. We saw that which is going up, which is going down, and we bought it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right? So we will see, right? Obviously after the end of the class, okay? Because for now we will
Yes, sir.
study
Seen the
some
name
patterns.
did Akkad Bakkad and took, sir.
Right, yes. So we will study how to identify, right? Okay, how to identify that when a stock is going to, like, not identify, it's more like predict. Okay, right? Because obviously nothing is 100% sure in the stock market, right? So we can just predict that what is going to happen, right? Price is going to go up or it goes down, right? With some tool, and that tool are called as technical analysis, right? Yes, Yukti, yes. Okay. Yes, Shravya, what doubt you have?
Sir, while buying the stocks, we
Yes.
have the option of changing the date. That means I can choose any date that if on 15th, if the stock price is 50 and now it's 150, I will buy from there and sell it on today's price.
See, again, right? Obviously, you will have a profit, right? But you already know these things, right? Because now you have the data that it went up. So that is not the main, right? Idea behind, right? Idea behind learning, Tell me, right? We have to observe. The idea behind this making a portfolio is
Which
to
is
know,
now.
right? To observe, right? Because see, it is easy to, yes, Kishore, you have to upload in the website forum only. Okay, so it is easy to see if that, right, stock has already gone up, right, but for example, what we will see is how your portfolio website will, right, will move in next week. Okay, got it? Seeing the trend, right, seeing the candlestick patterns and all. Okay, and that we can do right? By studying, tell me the candlestick pattern. The candlestick pattern. Now, when
Just
you talk
so
about
we
yes,
also invest in the shares which you invested, sir.
others, right? Keep quiet, as I told you, right? Just listen for now, okay? Okay, because these are very important concepts which I'm going to cover. After this, I will give you the time. Ragini, we cannot use line graph to study the changes actually. We can just find the trend. Using line graph, we can just get the idea of the trend, okay? Right? So I guess everyone have the basic idea about trend. What is trend? Yes or no? I guess everyone
Yes,
know
sir.
what is trend. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
tell me, there's something called trend reversal. Yes or no? Tell me. There's something called trend reversal, right? Akshit, ask your doubt. Just whatever you doubt have, not just message. Just message. Okay. After I, because see, when you guys speak in between, there's interruption. Right? So you just ask, then I'll cover up. Okay. The concept, I will answer. Okay. Yes. So when you talk about trends, right? I can say that obviously, right? Any stock will not be in uptrend always, will not be in downward trend always, or will not be in sideways trend always, right? So the trend will change after some point of time. Yes or no? The trend is right. Yes, the trend will change. So that change is called as reversal. Change in trend is called as reversal, right? As reversal. Everyone should message for now. Okay, right? Because let me complete this concept. Okay, because when you guys speak in between, it breaks the momentum. Okay, yes. Now, when you talk about this, what I want to learn how to identify these reversals. Yes or no? Tell me, right? For example, if you buy a stock, right? For now, so for long-term investor, right? You just buy at any price. It doesn't matter, right? But even if you want to make most out of it, right? You should buy at a correct price, so suppose the stock is going like this. Okay, it is what? It is which trend? Right?
Bear,
Message everyone.
bearish,
Which trend? Which trend?
downtrend.
Downtrend. So should you buy at this? No, tell me, should you buy at this price? Or should you buy at this price? At this price, any price?
Not
No, right? Because you don't know, right? That if it will fall again. So there's a key rule, right? Okay, right? Always buy when strength. When strength. You should buy. Tell me, you should buy any stock in uptrend or downtrend? Tell me. You should buy
uptrend,
in
uptrend, sir.
uptrend, right? Yes, enough. So you should right, see that when tell me, when the trend is going to reverse, you should buy when strength and sell when weakness. Sell on weakness. But the thing is, now how we know? That is what we want to learn. How we know that when is strength, when is weakness? Strength means uptrend, right? Strength means uptrend. And weakness means downtrend. Now, my question is, okay, when you talk about this at this point, suppose you, right, there's a reversal and if you already get to know that here there will be downtrend, right? Suppose at this point there's a consolidation, right? Suppose there's a consolidation and you get to know, okay, at this point, right? If you get some idea that there might be a downtrend, right? Think about it, right? Suppose by some tool, right, by some analysis, if you get to know that there might be, right, the start of downtrend, what you should do? Tell me.
Sir, we should start selling all the stock.
Yes, not depending on what
Selling,
kind
sir.
of
Selling
depending
the
on what kind of investor you are, right? Obviously, you should not start selling depending on what kind of investor you are. Yes or no, right? If you're a long-term investor, you will see, right? You will wait that how deep this downtrend is. Yes or no, right? And if you're an intraday trader or short-term investor, you will do accordingly. But knowing this is key, okay. Now, suppose at this point, right? It consolidate. Suppose at this point it consolidate like this. Okay, right? And suppose after this, it will start moving up like this. So you should know at this point, right? You should know at this point that there will be a sign of, right? What? Uptrend, right? Yes
Sir,
or no?
we will buy, sir.
Right? No, but these 2 points are called as trend reversals. Yes or no? Tell me.
Sir, but
Yes.
how will we know, sir?
Exactly. That is what we are going to learn. How to know, right? Obviously, using line chart, is it possible to know? No, I guess not, right? Okay, because I drew a line chart over here. It is not possible. Simple. Okay. So this is the reason we like the basic. We are just studying the basic, right? The basic is candlestick pattern. Now tell me here, right? Which kind of candlestick pattern we should observe, right? If you talk about the downtrend, which type of candlestick pattern we should observe when start of downtrend, tell me, right? We should look for which kind of candlestick patterns, bullish or bearish? Tell me, bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
If it would be bullish, it should go up, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, bearish, sir.
Sir,
Right, bearish, na? Right?
bearish, sir.
Bearish. You have to identify the bearish signals, right? And at the end of the downtrend, you have to identify which kind of candlestick pattern. Tell me.
Sir, bullish.
Bullish. Okay. Now in the same way, right? In the same way, when you talk about the start of, right? Okay, start of uptrend, bullish, right? Or end of the uptrend, bearish, depending on which kind of, right, trend you are observing. Clear here, right? So I guess all of you understood what is trend reversal. Ayana, all of you understood
Yes,
what
sir.
is trend reversal. So, right, this is low, which trend? Downtrend, which is lower high, lower low, right? Then consolidation,
Consultation, sir.
right? This is consolidation. Then,
Sir, higher highs, higher lows.
right, higher highs, higher lows,
Uptrend.
uptrend. Okay. Now, obviously, it is not necessary that each and every pattern, right? Each and every high and low should be higher high, higher low, right? Because we have already studied, right? We already studied that when you talk about technical analysis, we should be flexible. Yes or no, right? We should be
Yes, sir.
flexible.
Yes, sir.
Right? Even if we get one low which is lower than the previous one, it is fine. It is fine, right? We should be flexible enough. Enough. Okay, right? And we observe the signal, right? We should observe the signal at this point, right? So this will be the signal for downtrend, and this will be the signal for uptrend. Okay, right? So I can say how to do that by observing the candlestick pattern, right? And in last class, we have studied that we have lots and lots of type of candlestick pattern, right? One is single candlestick pattern and multiple candlestick pattern. Okay, so obviously we won't be covering all these patterns for now, right? Because we will be studying this in part by part. So we will be covering the most important one because there are lots and lots of patterns, okay, right? And it is not possible for us to remember all the patterns at once. Makes sense. Now we will get confused, right? So we will keep three patterns, 3 bullish patterns and 3 bearish patterns. First, right? We will cover 3 pattern first. Now, 3 bullish pattern, right? For what? Tell me. 3 bullish pattern for what? For which? To observe which trend? Tell me. We should like we are observing 3 bullish pattern to observe which trend? Tell me.
Trend.
Everyone. Uptrend, right?
Uptrend, sir.
Uptrend, right? So here we will study 3 bullish pattern for uptrend. There are many, by the way, but we will observe 3 bullish, the main 3, right? And we will observe 3 bearish pattern for
Downtrend, sir.
downtrend, right? So by observing this, we can get the idea. We can get the idea. Okay, it is almost the start of uptrend, or it is almost the start of downtrend, right? Now, apart from that, I can say when you talk about any candlestick, right? Any candlestick. What is Marubozu and all those things? Hai na? Okay, so Marubozu is like the basic candle, right? Marubozu is a very basic candle, very basic candle. Okay, right? Very, very basic. Okay, so we will discuss Marubozu, right? Bearish, bullish, both. Okay, we will discuss Doji, right? These two. Okay, then we will discuss hammer, okay, hammer, right? Okay, these three in single wait in single candle pattern. We will discuss Marubozu, Doji, and hammer. Okay, right? These three first. And when you talk about multiple candlestick pattern, we will discuss bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and morning star and evening star. Okay, right? Got it? So we will observe these. Now, see this. If you see that Marubozu is kind of candle, right? We will study what are the type of candles, right? Now, don't think that when you talk about this bullish Marubozu, right? It should be in bullish or bearish. Tell me.
Sir, bullish.
Name says it, right? Name. So I'll just say bullish Marubozu. I'll just write BM, and bullish Marubozu, right? Or I have to write bullish because, okay, I'll just write this. Bullish Marubozu. Okay, right? And downtrend, we will have opposite.
Sir, bearish
exactly
Marubozu.
opposite, hai na? Yes, bearish Marubozu. Correct. Bearish Marubozu. Exactly, it will be exactly opposite to each other, right? Then Doji, right? When you talk about Doji, hai na? Doji is again bullish or bearish depending on color. That's it, hai na? Right? So Doji will be bullish or bearish, doesn't matter. Doji is indecisive, right? Hai na? Doji means indecisive, right? So you cannot figure out anything with just a Doji candlestick, okay? Right? Because it is indecisive. We will discuss what is Doji, hai na? We will see what is Doji. Then hammer, right? And hanging man is also called as inverted hammer. Okay, so it is hammer and hanging and inverted hammer, right? So it also depends on which kind of pattern you're observing. Okay, right? Then when you talk about this bullish engulfing, right? Obviously for bullish pattern, right? Bullish up, like for uptrend we'll observe bearish engulfing, right? Same thing, morning star and evening star. Now when you talk about morning star and evening star, both are three candlestick pattern. Three candlestick pattern. Okay, means we have to observe how many candles? We have to observe three candles, right? Three different candles, right? Clubbed together is called as morning star or evening star. Okay, right? So it is three candlestick pattern.
Sir, can you again tell about Marubozu?
I'll discuss each one of them. Don't worry. I'll discuss each one of them. Okay, I'll discuss what are the what Marubozu looks like, right? Everything. Now, when you talk about this bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, it is two candlestick pattern. Two candlestick pattern. Okay, right? So bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing is two candlestick pattern, whereas Marubozu is three candlestick pattern. Okay, right? Okay. Now let us see. Let us have a practical chart, right? We will study a practical chart. Okay. So I will just keep one, right? Anna. Just give me a minute. So let us observe this practical chart. Okay, right? Okay. So if you observe here, we have lots and lots of different shape and sizes of candles. Yes or no? Tell me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lots and lots of different shape and sizes, right? They are long candles, short candles. Okay, so I can say that, sir, we know one thing for sure, that first of all we have green candles and red candles, that we know for bullish and bearish. Okay, now tell me, can we see any candle over here, right? Which is almost having no wick or very small wick? Tell me. Can you see any candle which is almost having no wick or very small wick, no wick or very small wick. Because again, we have to be flexible, right? We have to be flexible. Enough. So
Sir,
if you
Sir, there is one here, sir.
if you observe this, right? Observe this one. Observe this one, right? Enough. So it is
Yes,
very
sir.
small wick at the top, but it is no wick at the bottom, right? Now, wick is also called a shadow, enough, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wick means this shadow, na? This line, right? Okay, that is your wick or
Yes, sir.
shadow. Okay. Now, if you think about it, right? What is the meaning of this? Tell me, what is the meaning of this? If you just, because I hope all of you know how to observe the candle, and now, so I can say, sir, in this the meaning is it opened
Yes,
at this
sir.
point. Open, guys. Who is doing this?
sir, don't know, sir.
Sir Rajat.
No, by mistakenly
Okay.
one dot was put on by
Okay,
me.
fine. So see here, can I say, sir, open is equal to low, right or not? Open is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
Right,
low,
sir.
right? Hannah. So when you talk about the definition of Marubozu, right? Guys, you should write. Okay, you should write. Okay. When you talk about the definition of Marubozu, okay. So when you talk about bullish, so bullish is, okay, open should be equal to low. Open should be equal to low, right? Marubozu means no wick should be there, no wick or no shadow should be there. And close should be equal to high. Okay, got it? Tell me, got it? Yes or no? Everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, obviously, this is the ideal scenario, but we know that, right? We have to be flexible, right? So instead of like almost equal, right? Like I can say almost equal. For example, if close is around, suppose here the close is around how much? I'll just see this, right? So this is the close, right? If you see this candlestick, guys, you can see the close. This candle close is what? 5252.05, right? 5252.05, है Yes, right? Okay. So obviously it is not the perfect one, right? Okay, perfect one will have very, right? Yes, Marubozu is for one candle. Marubozu is single candle pattern, na Ragini? Okay. Marubozu is single candle pattern. So here, if you observe, right? All the data is shown. Okay. So open is what? 4850. Anna, see, open is 4850. Yes or no? Right? I'm just fixing this. Anna. Open it. Open. Wait. I just showing. Yeah. Open 4850. Low 4850. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Okay. So open is equal to low. Satisfies. Closes 5252 and high is 5300. So obviously, right, depending on what is the total change, right? Okay, because obviously it is 50 rupees change, but 50 rupees change as compared to 200. So ideally it should not be there, right? So it is not an ideal Marubozu, but almost like a Marubozu. Yes or no? Because we know there's nothing like ideal kind of thing, in stock, right? Okay, got it? Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
50. So I hope all of you understood what you're doing, Shrey, right? Using
Sir.
filters. Okay. So this is which kind of Marubozu? This is which kind of Marubozu?
Bullish.
Shrey,
Sir Bullish.
bullish. Your brother, sister are there, okay? Or you are
Bullish.
doing these things, right? Okay. So this is bullish Marubozu. Okay. Now, can you find, like, do you see any bearish Marubozu over here? I guess not, right? I'm not seeing any bearish Marubozu over here. Yes or no?
Sir, next to that bullish Marubozu, there was
No,
a.
I mean the wick is there, no? The wick is there, right? Okay,
Sir,
The
but upside
ideal.
it was not there, sir.
right? Okay, I'll just like extend it, Anna. Let us try to find a. Okay, see, I found not a perfect one, imperfect one, right? Imperfect one, Anna. Imperfect one. Not a perfect one, but I guess this is the imperfect one,
I got two imperfect ones, sir.
right? This is like imperfect Marubozu. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Close to, right? Obviously, it is not perfect, है ना? Right? So in this case, open is equal to what? When you talk about bearish Marubozu, open should be equal to. Tell me.
Sir,
Open is equal to low.
I
Low.
know. I know.
I-
Yeah, it is bearish. है ना? Open is should be equal to, yes. So if you see this, what is open price? Tell me, what is the open price? If you observe this, what is open price?
3520.
Okay, right? So open is 3730. है ना? Right? Open is 3730. High is 3730. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes,
so open
sir.
is equal to high. Now, what is low and close? So obviously, low and close have 40,
Low
40,
3,377.
right? है ना? So only 40. Obviously, it is not ideal. For ideally it should be, tell me, equal, right? But what kind of pattern I'll say? Okay, it will be non-ideal Marubozu, bearish Marubozu. Clear हो गया ये चीज, right?
Sir, ideal
you understood?
Marubozu means what, sir?
Ideal
Yes,
means
sir.
open should be equal to, see, this is what we study now. Ideal means open should be equal to, okay, right? Open should be equal to what? High. And
High.
close should be equal to low, right? Ideally, right? What is E and D with pentagon shape? Where E and D? Okay, this one, right? This one. This is event, dividend, right? And so we will discuss these things, right? Okay, some results is being announced or something like that. Okay, right? And here dividend is declared. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear with, right? Bullish,
Yes, sir,
okay,
clear.
right? है ना? Marubozu, yes or no? Bullish Marubozu, bearish Marubozu, clear? You have not noted it down? Tell me, right? Okay. Then we will talk about Doji. So
Sir, I have
you,
to write that one.
you have to write. Okay. Now, Doji, what is the meaning of Doji? Tell me. Right. I'm telling you this, right? Doji means. Tell me. Doji means what?
Sir, no big.
Undecisive, right? Indecisive, right? So when you talk about indecisive, so you cannot know,
Indecisive.
right? You cannot know that what kind of pattern is forming. Anna, either it is right bullish or bearish, right? Or you can say that it is a candlestick in which both bears and bulls are fighting with each other. Yes or no? I'm not getting any conclusion, right? Yes or no? Right? Both bears and bulls are fighting over each other and they're not getting any conclusion. Okay, so I will show you one doji pattern. Okay, let me ask this, right? Yes. Now, can you see this pattern?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This pattern.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if, like, suppose you don't know anything, right? So by observing this pattern, what can you say? Tell me, by observing this pattern, what can you say? That, sir, it almost closed at the same point when it opened,
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no? Close
No
point
profit,
and
no
open
loss.
point is almost.
Yes,
No,
sir.
but
the opening price and the highest and the lowest are far away from the opening and the closing.
exactly, right? That means that both bears and bulls were fighting over the time period. Yes or no? Tell me. But no one
Yes,
won, right? It was indecisive, right? Okay, got it? Yes or no? That is the meaning of doji. Got it? Or doji, right? Doesn't matter. Or doji. I don't know what it is called, right? How to pronounce it, right? Depending on our pronunciation. See, Ragini,
Yes,
see,
sir.
Ragini, I'll tell you, right? Here, open almost equal to close. Open is almost equal to close, right? Okay, open is almost equal to close, and high, right? High and low will be, tell me, the wick length of high and low, right, will be almost equal. Right? Almost. I'm not saying right always, but almost equal. And the wick length, the length of the wick will be way too, right? This length of the wick as compared to the body. This is called as body, right? will be much more. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
Right? So I hope all of you understood, right? What is the doji kind of thing?
Yes,
I
sir.
know.
Understood, sir.
Okay, right. Okay. So can I say that is this a doji?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
it is-
sir.
It is not a doji, right? It is
No,
not
sir.
a doji.
No, sir.
Sir, vehicle
doji?
inside. Sir.
Is this a
Sir,
doji? No.
no, sir.
Right? Because
No.
Sir, what is the meaning of the size of the candle? Sir?
the size of the body is this now, right? This shaded region is the size of the size of the candle, right? And
Yes,
this
sir. What is the value of that, sir?
see, you have to observe. Now you have to observe this, right? You have to just see the difference between open and close, right? And now see the difference between open and close. Open is what? 6070, right? Sorry, 6075. And now and close is 6087. So what's the difference? Difference is just 12 points, right? And now difference is just 12 points. Clear here. But if you see the high is what? 6250, almost 180 points up, and close is, and low is, tell me 5927, है so it is almost right same as I guess around 150 points low, है so 170 points up and 150 points low, and the difference between open and close is, tell me, open and close is just 12 points. So this is a perfect doji. This is perfect doji. Got it, everyone? So if you find a doji, what
Sir, we
it shows-
can know if it is doji by the length of the wick, sir.
Yes. See, again, right? It is the shape, right? It is shape.
The both should be equal, sir.
Right?
Sir,
Not
is that
equal.
red one is doji, sir?
Which one? This one
No.
or this one?
Yes, sir. Is this
See,
doji,
again,
sir?
right? Again, the length of the wick should be, right, way more than the length of the body. Got it? That is one thing. Okay, right? And you have to keep this in mind that not all the candlestick, right? Not all the candlestick will have the same name. There are lots and lots of different candlesticks. Okay, right? Okay, we are just studying very basic candlesticks. Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, is the fifth candle doji, sir?
See, in whole, all the candlesticks.
No, sir. Only one is doji.
Only one is doji,
No.
right? You can say, if you talk about this, right? If you talk about this, then yes, you can say it is imperfect doji. Okay.
Sir, nearly doji, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
imperfect.
Sir, that next candle is bearish Marubozu, sir.
This one.
Yes,
Or
sir.
this
Yes, sir.
one. No,
Sir,
no.
next-
See, the lower wick, right? It is called as something called as hammer. We will study this. Okay. Right? We will study all this. Don't worry.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Okay.
Okay,
है
sir.
ना? It looks
Sir, but
hammer,
in
right?
Marubozu, we learned that if the upper is not there,
Sir,
then it
today
is
we have
imperfect Marubozu,
Right?
sir.
See, guys, यहाँ पे देखोगे ना, तो ये सब in wait, I'll just do that. Right? Focus only on, right, few candlesticks. Okay, right? I guess all of you understood this Marubozu and Doji. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir, can you explain bearish Marubozu again, sir?
See, bearish Marubozu will be just red, as simple as that. It will be same. The color would be red. That's it. Like,
Sir,
okay.
and its upper wick will be not there, sir.
Right? See this, for example, this one, right? This one, this one. It would be, see this, Anna.
Sir,
It will
doji.
be, right? And if you observe this one, Anna. So it is like doji. Got it? Yes or no? This one, right? This one. So this is your bearish doji. Clear?
Sir,
हो
but
गया?
its stomach is big, sir.
So what
Yes.
are the properties of doji, sir? Like in Marubozu, open should be low and close should be high, sir.
That is what I'm saying, nah, right? That open and close should have very small difference. The open is should almost be close to close, right? Anna. Okay.
Sir, the wig should be greater than the body.
Wick should be much greater, not just greater, much greater than the body. For example, here, this is also doji. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Right? And see, right? There are many other candlesticks also which will look like doji. Okay, right? Okay, got it, right? But we are not going in depth in those things. Okay, so we are just having the basics, right? The main candlestick. Okay, so I guess doji, all of you understood? Raise your hand. Doji, all of you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So now my question is, when you talk about taking a trade, and not taking a trade, right? Let us observe this. Okay, let us observe this. Okay, we have studied only two candlestick patterns. Okay, only two candlestick patterns.
Sir, I had a doubt, sir, in my portfolio, sir.
Wait,
Sir,
wait,
what
later,
is
at last.
okay?
Everything related to portfolio at last. Okay. Now let us see this, right? Let us see this chart. Okay, I guess here there's lots and lots of trends, right? Trend reversals and all, है ना? Yes or no? Right? Because this is already formed candlestick, so I can see that, sir, from here to here, okay, right? From here to here, what is the? I'll just show. Yeah, from here to here, what is the trend? Tell me, what is the trend?
Sir,
Sir,
beer.
The
downtrend.
downtrend, sir.
Sir,
Downtrend.
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 Sir.
And from here to here, almost it is which kind of trend?
Sideway trend, sir.
Sideway trend.
Sideway trend. But from here to here, it is which kind of trend?
Uptrend,
Uptrend, sir.
Uptrend.
Sir,
Uptrend.
bullish.
Or like awesome, correct. So if you observe this here, right, at this point, there is a trend reversal, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, yes. Sir.
Sir, trend
Yes or no?
reversal means the changing of trend, no, sir?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Sir,
So-
doji will be nearly trend reversal
It
only.
is, again, right, depends, right? Depends. And now, first of all, that is not easy, by the way. Okay, right? What we do, we just have whenever we learn any concept, we learn the basics. Then we add on the other concepts. Yes or no? Tell me, right? Hannah?
Yes,
Okay, right? Because I'm showing you the real chart. Okay, and if real chart is so easy to understand, right? Obviously, everyone would have understood it, right? Hannah? Okay. So I'm just showing you the chart which is easier to understand. है ना? Kishore, bearish Maruboju is just the candlestick pattern having no wick. No wick, red candlestick pattern without wick. That is your bearish Maruboju. Okay? Okay. Now observe this. Observe this. So I can say now these are different patterns. We will study what
Sir, I
type,
found a Marubozu, sir.
right? Okay, wait. So I can say, sir, if you see this, right? I'll just show you. Let us see this trend only, right? This trend. Enough. So I'm having a doji. This is a doji, right?
Yes,
This
sir.
is not a Maruboju. This is not a Maruboju, right? Because this
Yes,
wick
sir.
is way too long. But this is almost Maruboju. Yes or no?
Sir, but
This is
it has both sides, sir.
But that is very small, na? Very, very small, very small. Like
it is close to Maru.
right? Yes. For example, see.
Sir,
if
I
you
have
see
a
this-
doubt, sir. Sir, in
Wait,
dojo, sir.
wait. If you see this, what is the open price? Tell me, what is open price? Open price is equal to what?
Sir, the upper
2107.
2335.
Oh, sorry,
Right?
sir.
And what is high price?
Sir, 2350.
2350.
So what's the difference? Difference is just 15 points. Yes or
15
no?
Yes, sir.
What is low?
Sir,
1972.
1972. And what is close?
1976.
1976. So the difference is how much? Only 4 points. Yes or no? Not even 4, right? 3.5. Yes or no? Yes, Shravya?
Sir, is
Very
it
near.
possible that the rosy be bearish or bullish? Means can it be?
Again, it is red. It is red. So obviously, it is which kind of Marubozu? Tell me.
Beer.
Bearish.
Bearish.
Not Marubozu, sir. I'm asking about dozy.
Doji again, same color, right? Simple color. Hannah, if it is red, right, it is bearish.
Bearish.
But again, in
Okay,
case of
sir.
doji, no, it doesn't matter, right? Because doji means indecisive. Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
Right?
the two candles
Sir, in that both.
in the right side of this, which you are
Yes.
Sir, in
showing,
doji,
sir.
bearish and bullish both
I
fight.
can say this is also doji and this is like also doji, right? We have already discussed, Hannah. This is also like a doji, right? but this is not like a perfect doji. This is not like a perfect doji, because obviously there's a difference. The body size is not very less, but this is perfect doji. Okay.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the one
Wait.
you are showing, sir.
Wait. Someone is asking something.
Sir, the perfect doji, sir. After that perfect doji, sir, there is one red candlestick and then another green candlestick.
Yes, sir. Same question,
Sir,
sir.
is that
Right.
also doji, sir?
No, this is not a doji. That's what I'm saying. So if you see this, right? Okay. Now, as I told you that sometimes you should not just focus on one candle, right? There's a multiple candlestick. So if you see this, first is, if you see these three candlestick, the prices are almost same. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there's a name for these candlestick also, right? We will discuss this later. And again, be flexible, okay, right? Now after this, there's an undecisive candlestick. Yes or no? After this undecisive candlestick, right? So I can say this is the first sign of what?
Trend, sir.
Some
Uptrend.
change. So,
Trend, sir.
Downtrend, sir.
You cannot say uptrend or downtrend. Yes or no? Right? Can you say uptrend or downtrend?
No,
I
sir.
cannot.
Sir,
Sir,
it is
sir,
the
sir,
first
trend
Right?
Yes, sir.
reversal,
Whether
sir.
it can be
No,
down,
I can-
downtrend or
The
uptrend.
trend
It
reversal.
can be anything. It can be anything. But I can say there should be some movement, right?
The
Yes,
trend
sir, it will,
reversal
sir.
it will.
Enough. But after this candlestick, if a green candlestick would form, or tell me, red candlestick will form, depending on that. But after this, which candlestick formed?
Red, sir.
Red, sir.
Red. But even if it is red now, it will give you a bullish signal. Okay, we will see what is this kind of candlestick, but it will give you bullish signal. Why do we give you bullish signal? Tell me.
Don't know.
Sir, because it's
Because see,
wick is
because first of all,
present, sir, opposite.
right? First of all, it is almost like a Maribozu. It is
Yes, sir.
after doji, right? And the open and high are almost same. Yes or no? Right? Open and high is almost same, and low is not very low as compared to close. Low is not very low as compared to close. Okay. So I cannot say anything. I cannot actually say anything just observing this, right? So if you're a trader, you will wait. After these two, you will wait. What kind of doji is there? Sorry, what kind of candlestick is there, right? So I can say, so this is big bearish candle. Yes or no? Big bearish candle.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this, we'll have this candle. Now this is not exactly doji, right? This is not exactly doji, but since we don't know the name of this candle, I will say it is almost like doji. Almost. Because I don't know the name of this candle yet. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Right? But
Sir,
it is
does
almost,
every candle has a name, sir?
see, there are lots and lots of names, right? But we need not to know them. Okay. Right? Okay. Because obviously there are many. Okay. Right? But we need not to know them. It's fine. Because we should relate every candle with the nearest similar type of candle. So I can say this candle, if I have to relate with the similar type of candle, so that would be doji. Yes or no? Right? Agree. So that is the first candlestick, which is what? Bearish. Second candlestick, which is what? Doji. And third candlestick is big bullish
Yes, sir,
candle,
big
right?
bullish.
Excuse me, sir.
No Akash, we won't be playing Kahoot today, right? Obviously it is
So
not
why, sir?
Maribozu, because we don't have time,
Today.
and for Kahoot we should study something, right? Okay, it is not the math and science, right? Okay,
Excuse me, sir.
right? Thank you, Rakudi. So if you observe these three candlesticks, right? Yes, Priya, thank you. Right?
So
If you observe
uptrends
these
are
three,
bullish.
sir, it is
so
a
don't
bullish.
it will give, again, it is not bullish or bearish. It will give me, tell me, it will give me the idea of trend reversal. Yes or no? Idea
Yes,
of
sir.
trend reversal.
Yes,
Trend
sir. Okay.
reversal. Now tell me, if you observe this, that sir, these two and these two will almost be same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
right? है ना? These two and these two almost same. So if you are, suppose if you want to, if you are checking this, if you are just checking this, right? Okay, can you be sure? Can you be sure that there will be a trend reversal? Tell me. If you're checking the middle,
No, sir.
right?
Yes.
See, Nabil, right? Again, the size, right? I told you this is not the actual doji. This is not the actual doji. But since we don't know the name of this candlestick yet, I will compare it with the doji. Got it, Nabil? Okay, right? Okay. Usually the upper wick and lower wick will almost be similar in size. Okay. Okay. So if I tell you, if you just have to observe this candlestick, right? Can you be confirmed? Can you confirm about the trend reversal? Can you
No, sir.
initiate a buy? No, right? Enough. But if you want to be sure, you should check the next candlestick. Yes or no? Ayana. For example,
Yes, sir.
suppose we have two type of investors, right? Suppose we have one, suppose Akarsh, and the second is suppose Nabil. Okay, Akarsh and Nabil, right? Many students are not here today, by the way. Arav is here. Arav is not here. Sanvi is here. Jia is here. Okay. Okay. So suppose Arav, this Akarsh and Nabil is here. Now Akarsh is risk taker. Risk taker. Right? He's like
risk
risk
उठाओ
है तो
नाम
इश्क है.
बनाओ.
Okay, right? He's like risk hai to ishq hai. And Nabil is like, he's more like safe trader.
Safe trade.
Safe trader, right? He wants to make sure that whatever he's doing is going to give him some money. Okay. So if you talk about risk taker, right? Anna, so risk taker will initiate a trade at this point. Hi Anna. Tell me. Risk taker will initiate a trade at this point. Agree. So Akarsh will initiate a trade over here because he will see this first candle bearish, second candle doji. So he might have this idea. Okay, now the next candle might be right bullish. It might give you a trend reversal. Yes or no? Got it? Everyone is getting this. Yes or no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
is
sir.
getting- Okay. Right? So don't you think that this is actually giving a false signal? Anna, right? Anna, this is actually giving a false signal, right? But Nabil will wait. Nabil will wait for the next candle. Nabil will wait for next candle, right? Jia, I'm saying that we have two persons, Akarsh and Nabil. Akarsh is risk taker, risk taker, right? He will take risk. Nabil is safe trader. He will like make sure that the trend is going to reverse. Then only he will initiate the trade. Then only he will
So
buy
indirectly,
the stock.
Akash will tukka sir and Nabil will go on.
No, again, right? Think, right? See this. So if you talk about this candle, right? That is why you should be very, very, like you should fix what kind of person you are. Okay, right? So if you talk about this, both are observing this, right? Take, sahi hai. Then observing tick, then sahi hai. But since Akash is risk taker, he will initiate a trade over here. He will buy stocks over here, right? Okay, he will buy stocks over here. Then what will happen? Tell me. For the next trade, what will happen for the next trade? Because it is 1 day trade, right? It is 1 day,
Yes.
right? I'm talking about intraday. Because this is 1 day chart. I hope all of you understood this. Anna,
Yes.
right? Okay, this is day chart, right? Okay, for this time duration. So if you talk about Akash will incur losses. Yes or no? Akash will incur losses unless until he, right? Obviously for this short interval, right? He's a short trader. Whatever we are discussing is for short trade. Yes or no? Either intraday or buy
So
today,
you
sell
told
tomorrow.
we will focus more on long traders, sir.
Yes, but obviously you should know everything, na? Ayana, right? ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Sir.
Okay. So because see, for long trader, you don't have to see anything. You just pick stock and forget. Right? Yes or no? Right? For
Yes.
example, the portfolio that you make, na, keep it and forget till you pass 12th. You will become like, you will literally become like 10 lakh. You will have 10 lakh, I guess. Okay, right? Even if you don't see, but I'm teaching you so that you can see how the trend is changing. So obviously,
Sir,
after
then indirectly long trader is better, no, sir?
wait, depending on, right, guys, keep quiet. Depending on, because we will discuss it later. Okay, so I can say that this Akash will make loss, but what about Nabil? Nabil will wait for the next candle, yes or no? Nabil will wait for next candle. Now he observed this candle that okay, this is, tell me, bearish candle. Will he initiate
Downtrend.
trade?
Bearish
Will he
Marubu.
initiate trade? Will he buy stocks?
No, sir.
No, he will
No,
not.
sir.
Right? Okay, he will not.
No.
Now again, next day, same kind of candle is found. Right? Again, same kind of candle is found. Yes or no?
Near doji, sir.
Okay. Now think about it. After when you see this, right? What impression this gives? This gives that okay, market is actually weak, comparatively weak. Yes, yes or no? If you see just these two, right? Low is, this low is lower than this, and this high is lower than this. Yes or no? So lower low, lower high, right? Yes or no? Lower low, lower high. Agree, right? But
Yes.
it is similar to doji, similar to doji. Okay, right? There's a name for this kind of candle, by the way, but similar to doji. Okay.
Sir,
So,
this is near hammer also.
yes, right. That's why I'm not saying what kind of doji, what kind of candle it is, right? But see, after this, Akash, right? Akash might initiate a trade over here, right? Considering कि नीचे चला जाएगा stock, है ना? Right? But Nabil will wait. Nabil will wait, and he sees this very strong bullish candle, very strong bullish candle, right? See the open price, right? Now tell me, this is gap up opening or gap down opening? Tell me, this is gap up opening or gap down opening?
Gap up opening.
Gap up opening.
Gap up opening.
Yes, it is a gap up opening. It is a gap up opening, right? First of all, it is gap up opening. Second, right? So open is open. Here, open is more than last day's close. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? And open is more than, right, last year's high, last day's high. Open is almost more than last day's high.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? This one, I'm explaining this one. Okay, right? And it went up, right? Strong bullish signal. It will show you
Yes, sir. Very
strong
big.
bullish signal. So if you see these three, it will give you the indicator of trend reversal. Got it?
Yes.
Trend, right? Hana, it will strongly give you the trend reversal, right? Yes or no? See what happened after this three? Tell me what happened after this. Tell me. If you observe this, what happened after this three?
Uptrend.
Tell me. We have studied this now. We were studying this candles. Which candle we were studying? This candle, right? So see what it gave you. What trend you?
Sir, uptrend.
So I hope all of you understood, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that was morning star also.
Yes. So this is called as warning star. This is called as morning star. Okay. So these three candle, right, is a morning star candle. Okay.
So what are the properties of Morningstar?
That is what I told you. I explained the whole thing, right? It is not one
Nice,
candle.
sir. Say in
green.
sentence, sir.
Again, it
Sir,
is
to
not one
write, sir,
candle.
definition.
Right? First of all, don't worry. I will give you the definition, right? Don't worry. Anna, right? What you will do to write the definition, just understand. First of all, this morning star is like you have to observe this morning star. You have to observe this doji and bearish candle, right? At the end of downtrend. That's the first thing. Yes or no? Right? So first is the pattern will be observed at the end of downtrend. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose
Is it to form a uptrend in
What?
Morningstar, sir? Sir, is it necessary to form a uptrend in Morningstar?
Again, it is not necessary, right? It is
It
again.
is evening star also.
Yes, when you talk about, I'll tell you, Tanushree, when you talk about, okay, when you talk about this stock market, right? there's no guarantee, right? There's nothing compulsory kind of thing, right? Yes or no? It is just prediction. Got it? It's just prediction. So here, if we are getting this kind of candlestick, we are predicting that, yes, we are predicting that the trend will most likely be uptrend. It is the sign
Yeah,
of
sir.
likely the
Sir,
uptrend.
we can,
Yes, and it was actually uptrend. Now tell me, it was actually uptrend, yes or no?
sir,
Right? Because
sir, what I understood is that after a huge low, uh, what candle changes the huge low into high morning star?
yes, but again, if you ask that is it necessary to form like morning star, right? My answer would be no. Trust me, my answer would be no, right? Because there's no perfect thing. We are lucky that here we got a morning star. We were lucky that here we got a morning star. But there's a trend reversal here also, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? See, if you see this, there's a trend reversal here also. Anna,
Yes.
right? But
Sir,
this, if you see this, right? If you see this, Anna, if you see this candlestick pattern, right? Right? So this is consolidation. From this point to this point is complete consolidation. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Complete consolidation. Right? So if you see this pattern, it is not like a morning star. Tell me, does it look like morning star?
No, sir.
No, right? Still
No,
it is
sir.
still it is a trend reversal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So there's no guarantee. First of all, there's no guarantee, right? That if trend is reversal, it could be morning star. Shravya, there's no difference. There's no difference, right? Okay, we are just observing, right, the candlestick pattern called as morning star, right? If morning star is formed, then we can, right, we can predict that there can be uptrend. Hi, Anna, tell me. Hi, Anna, right? Okay, if you're observing this candlestick, tell me, if you're observing this candlestick, right? If someone is observing this,
How can we know that there is a morning star, sir?
again, that is why, no, right? We have to observe the candlestick patterns, right? So, for example, if you're observing this, right? I cannot say that these are morning star. Yes or no? Can I say that this is a morning star?
No, sir.
No. So, to be very frank, as a trader, I cannot predict the trend. I cannot predict. As simple as that. Yes or no? You cannot predict. Simple, right? No. But once this candle is formed, right? It will give you the idea. Right? That is the thing. That is why Ragini, right? You should have, right? There should be three things that you should require in stock market. First is
Not
money,
Yes,
right?
sir. Correct, sir. And
Right?
time, sir. Second is time, sir.
Second is
Time, sir.
Patience,
Knowledge.
patience.
knowledge. है ना? Knowledge. Third
So I
is
think it is more than three things, sir.
like minimum. Third is courage and patience.
Sir, in YouTube, one ad came, said that if you don't have knowledge and you don't have time, you use our method to get profit in the stock market, sir. It was like,
See, if you don't have knowledge, don't have courage or patience, just invest in mutual funds. Simple. As simple as that. You don't have time, don't have this, just invest in mutual fund. Okay. Because
Sir,
there's
but they will keep a
yes,
small
okay,
amount
we'll
for
discuss
themselves,
about
no,
mutual
sir.
funds in separate class. Okay, we'll discuss about mutual funds in separate class. Now I will just revise. Okay, not wrong. Sorry, not wrong. Long, है ना? But if you have to compare this with like the closes that we have studied yet, then it is Marubuj. Okay, right? But there will be a different name for that. Okay, got it, right? Since we just know Marubozu and Dozi, we just know Marubozu and Dozi. Yes
Sir,
or no?
I got Doji, sir, in the second candle, sir, in this screen.
Yeah, this one, right? I know.
Yes,
This is
sir.
a Doji. Okay. Anyways, so I hope all of you understood this. Doji, you understood? Marubozu, you
Yes.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Morning Star, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? Those who did not get, just watch this video once again. Okay. Right?
Sir,
Ragini,
but I didn't
right?
get the.
Wait. Ragini, just watch this video once again. Okay, no issues in that. Because
Which
any,
videos are now recording that, sir?
no, I'm recording it now. Right? Wait. Because I will be using this again. So no issues. It will not be like ek baar ho gaya to ho gaya. Okay, we will be revising this, using this again. So you will get it. Okay, right? Okay. So
Sir, but I didn't understand
yes, sir.
the difference
Wait.
between uptrend and morning star, sir.
नो इश्यूज अगर इतना आसानी से हो जाता, राइट, तो सबको तुम लोग ट्रेडर नहीं बन जाते एक दिन में, ठीक है, राइट?
हाँ sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? See, the first mistake of a trader, right? First mistake of a trader is
Hadbadi.
exactly, है ना? Right? To believe that सब कुछ एक दिन में सीख जाएंगे, नहीं. First of all, it is more of a gut feeling. That's the first thing, right? More of a gut feeling, right? These things will just help you to identify something, है ना? Right? With
So, how
some-
much time did you take, sir?
See, I'm still learning. It is almost 2.5 years. I'm still learning, by the way, right? I don't trade. I don't trade, by the way. Okay, right? Even though I observe the charts, I don't trade yet. Okay.
So you invest, sir?
Yeah, I invest. I took some trades. I made some money, but I lost more than that.
Sir, real money.
So when you talk about hammer, as the name suggests, I hope all of you, right, know how hammers looks like. All Marwaಡಿ fan, just raise your hand.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right?
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Modeling, right? है ना? Okay. Yes. So I guess no one needs to, like, yes. So hammer will look like this. Okay. Hammer
Yes,
will look
sir.
like this.
Sir, hammer
So I
has
can say,
Umbrella.
what is the characteristics of this hammer? Tell me, what would be the characteristics of this hammer?
Sir, the lower wing will be much more greater than the body of
Yeah.
the.
So the first
Sir,
is
upper, there will
Yes,
be no
sir.
upper wick.
wick
Yes
will
sir.
be,
No upper wing end.
wick will be almost 2 to 3 times, minimum 2 to 3 times that of the body. Okay, right?
The
So I can
hammers are
say,
Mjolnir.
so this, okay, I cannot draw a straight line, so pardon me. I don't know, I cannot draw a straight line. So this wick will be
Sir, simple method, sir. You have to draw fast, sir.
2 to 3 times that of the body. Okay, minimum, right? Okay, now obviously it can be green or red, you know, right? What is, when it will be green, when it will be red, right? If this is open, this is closed. If this is open, this is closed, it will be red. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir. If
Right.
if it is vice versa, then it will be green.
There are doubts, sir. Sir,
Yes.
in the hammer, sir, if there is a wick on the upside also, sir, will it be a hammer or not, sir?
That is called as inverted hammer. That is what I was going to say. Okay, after this. Okay,
Sir, hammer will be black in color.
so this is your, this is what open and close. Then this will be your what, bearish hammer, right? And then there will be a
Hammer,
bullish
yes,
hammer.
sir. Bearish hammer.
Yes, and there will be bullish hammer also if, right, open will be here and close will be here. Okay. Now, as someone asked, what is this? If it will be like this. Yeah, I have to wait. I'll just choose this. Okay. Yeah. Just give me. Now I should be able to. Okay. Jadoo. Yeah, Jadoo. Right?
Where, sir, Jadoo?
Yes, sir.
See, it became a straight line, na, Jadoo.
Sir, it is a bullish.
Sir, you use the tool, sir.
Yes sir.
It is magic, man. You guys don't appreciate my magic.
Sir, no,
Sir,
sir.
pata hai sir magic.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Ah.
this sir, which you have drawn before, wick is equals to 2 or 3 times the body, sir.
Yes.
Is it bearish or bullish?
See, depend on. I told you, right? It will be red. If it is red, it will be bearish or bullish.
Yes sir.
Sir, bearish.
Yes,
If it is
sir.
green, then bullish. As simple as that. You don't have to think. सो जा नबील, सो जा, नींद आ रहा है ना, सो जा.
Sir,
एकदम.
sir, in the first case,
Yes.
in the first case you have drawn when the hammer, the part is above. If
Yes.
it is green, then the what? The highest will be equal to the closing price, whereas if it is red, then the highest price will be equal to the
Open
opening
price.
price.
Open price. Yes. है ना?
Sir, use fill color, sir. You are scratching from that time, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I should have used this, na.
Sir, magic.
Magic, sir, magic.
You guys are making fun of me. I know. I will
No, sir.
punish you guys.
No,
I will
sir.
give you homework. I will give you lots of assignments.
No, sir.
Yes. Okay, chalo. So this is what? This
No,
is inverted hammer. I guess all of us put this. This is inverted hammer, है ना?
Sir, see, sir. 1 second का काम 1 minute तक कर रहे हो, sir.
I was liking it. Okay, I like to draw. You guys don't
Sir, आप
appreciate.
thicker font भी use कर सकते थे, sir.
Sir,
Okay, I was speaking and I
all
was
the time
doing,
you are
right?
telling we are not
Okay, so,
appreciating.
okay, it's fine. It is called as
Sir,
inverted
you
hammer.
can.
Guys, keep quiet, Adarsh. You will be fined. I will put 5 rupees fine.
Sir, why me, sir?
Okay, because you speak a lot. Now Niketan is not speaking today. Good. But Niketan is speaking. Niketan is here.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, he was speaking,
Ah,
sir. He
sir,
said my
I
voice
am
is same,
here,
sir.
Sir,
Okay,
just
When
okay,
he
voice
okay.
change,
speaks, sir,
sir.
Gooden
Okay.
sir, sir, scolds me, sir.
Keep quiet. So see here, this is what? This is your, tell me. It is bearish, right? Bearish. So this will be open. This will be closed. This will be high and low is equal to close. Yes or no? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No doubt,
Anyone
sir.
have any doubt in this?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See,
No, sir, no
when you
doubt.
talk about this hammer, है ना? Hammer cannot, right? Hammer cannot give you the indicative of anything, to be very frank, right? है ना? Because if you
Sir,
want
then
to
what is the use of hammer, sir?
wait, right? You see again, right? You can get a idea that how the stock is varying. For example, here, if you see this, right? If you see this, Anna, I can say that in this case, okay, bulls try to increase the price. Yes or no? Bulls try to increase the price, but bears drag them. Agree, right? But
Yes,
they
sir.
didn't. But they didn't go very low. Okay, right? Enough like that. So obviously, when you talk about this candlestick patterns, no, right? When we talk about lots and lots of patterns, we will combine them. Then we can get to know. No? After combining 2-3 patterns, we can understand that how the trend is changing. Okay, right? Okay. So I guess all of you understood that till this point, right? Okay. So there are two companies, right? There were two companies which I wanted to show how to see, right, the breakout, right, or trend reversal. So in last week, there obviously many companies gave the breakout, right? But the two companies that I followed was there's one SBI and one is Nalco, So this is a line chart. I guess you know you can just get the idea of trend by the graph, this line chart, right? But when you want to see this, okay. Now, if you observe the small trend reversal, so I can say that here you observed one trend reversal, yes or no? Right? A big trend reversal, Anna? Tell me, right? So if you see the price, if the price was what? Tell me, what was the price? Tell me, 430. This is 29th July. This is 29th July, 29th July. Okay. So on 29th July, right, it consolidated for some time, then it gave a breakout, right? Gave a breakout, 29th July only. Okay, and it went all up to what? 443. But did it sustain? Tell me, did it sustain? No, right? No. It fell down again. Okay. So as a trader, you should know where to exit, right? Okay, you should know where to exit. For example, if you would have bought at this price is what price? Tell me. Around 430, right? So I'll say 430, okay. then what is this price? What is this price? 440, 450, है ना? So as an intraday trader, you should know that what amount you want to book, right? There's nothing like, okay, it will go up, or again up. No, it never happen. It will fall, right? So as a trader, you should book a profit. You should book a profit as an intraday trader, right? Per share 10 rupees you would have made profit. Fine, per share 10 rupees you would have made profit. But suppose if you bought it at this price, then what would have happened? On same day, lose money, right? Anna, got it? Okay. But obviously, if you are a long-term investor or even a short-term investor, it is fine, no? Tell me. Even if you are a long-term investor or short-term investor, it is fine. Why it is fine? Because at the end of the day, it is going up only, right? If you see 1 month chart, if you see the 1 month chart, right? Right? It is going up only. Agree? Ayana, right? So that is why how to take a trade totally depends on what kind of investor you are. Short-term investor, long-term investor. For example, the stock which I wanted to have, but I couldn't have, right, is some, there's a, which sector, right, increased, like which sector gave most profit, like one of the most profit in last week, steel sector. Yes or no? Steel companies, as like those who had steel companies in your portfolio might have observed that Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Nalco, SAIL all went up. How many have observed this? Tell me, how many have observed this? Anna, right? And pharma, both steel and pharma. Anna. So see, if you see the 1 week chart, 1 week chart of Nalco, right? So actually, I wanted, right? I was observing at this price. This was like around, this price was around 80 something. If you see this now, this was, see how, what was the price? 80, yes, exactly. See 83, 82, 83, right? When the week started, then it went all up to what? Tell me, right? 87 something, 87 something, right? And all up to then, tell me, almost 90, it touched 90. Okay, right? Then it fell till 90. So see, I can say that if you are a short-term trader, I knew that this is a short-term trade, buy at 80, 85, okay, and sell at 100. Now it went all up to this price, right? 90 to 94, and it closed around 90 something. So there's still uptrend. There's a still uptrend. It still can go up to 100 rupees. Okay. So you should keep your profit that if it reaches this value, I will sell. समझ में आया? Got it? Right? So there were breakouts, right? See, this is kind of consolidation, then breakout, then kind of consolidation, then breakout. Then now it is a consolidation phase for this, right? Okay. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this. So today we studied what? We studied the basic candlestick patterns, right? Now we studied what is hammer, what is inverted hammer, doji, marubozu, right? Then bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, we didn't study it yet. Morning star, evening star, yes. Okay. So in next class, we will play Kahoot also, and we will cover some more candlestick patterns. Okay, right? Okay, everyone. I hope all of you enjoyed this class.
Yes, sir.